Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we discuss the best printer for printing HTV. These printers can be used in any condition and are perfect for printing HTV. They can be used for small or large projects and don't require any particular setup or maintenance. With that in mind, let's look at some of the best printers for printing HTV. We all know that a quality printer can make a massive difference in your printing performance. To help you out, we have narrowed down our list of the best printers for printing HTV. Each printer's output varies depending on your specific needs, but the results are sure to be exceptional. These printers are especially for users that can only spend a small amount of money and need to print high-quality HTV for their projects. We have included each printer's link in the description section. And more importantly, these links are updated daily so you can have the best and updated prices. Without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5850 all-in-one printer. If you have a passion for crafting and love creating personalized designs with heat transfer vinyl, HTV, then let me introduce you to the ultimate tool for your artistic endeavors, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5850 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer. With this remarkable printer by your side, you'll unlock a world of endless possibilities. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing cartridges because the ET-5850 has high-capacity ink bottles that print up to 7,500 black and 6,000 pages in color. That's right, fewer interruptions and more time for your creative genius to flourish. Imagine vibrant and sharp prints that bring your designs to life. The ET-5850 utilizes Epson's DURABrite inks, which are pigment-based and guarantee crisp, eye-catching results in both black and white and color. Plus, with its borderless printing feature, you can produce stunning prints up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches in size that will leave everyone in awe. Speed is another feather in the ET-5850's cap. Thanks to its PrecisionCore Heat-Free Technology, you can achieve lightning-fast print speeds of up to 25 ISO ppm for both black and color. If you want to get this printer, then check out the link provided in the description below.